Bäckerei Otzlberger is an amazing bakery here located in Lower Austria. That is, its history is deeply woven in this culinary fabric outside of Vienna, and it runs deep here with 9 generations of bakers. The bakery operates by the Austrian family, who has been dedicated themselves to making this across 9 generations. Now, reflecting on the deep seated commitment to family tradition, it has been passed down generation to generation with the current owner, Anton, continuing to run the business the same name and passion as his ancestors and his mother, Hannah. It played a major role in the front of sales team who I met. Now they've continued to make delicious bread here and maintaining an old world heritage. Business has been modified as of April 2004, and has established itself as a beautiful destination for future generations. Now, the bakery prides itself on focusing on essential, delicious, and simple ingredients: flour, salt, water, and avoiding mass production. Now, every single loaf is individually handmade, and some doughs rising over time have made it a unique snack for those traveling through. I traveled through and had a sandwich, but it was unlike any sandwich I ever had. It was just one piece of bread and then some meat and some food on top of it. It was very well priced. I think I was a little nervous that maybe something was going on, but that wasn't the case here. Everything was pretty good. They got some good pretzels as well, if you're into that. Now, they're also paired with local wines here, and the product has been a staple among regional farm shops and also independent regional grocery stores here in this area. You gotta get over here and try some of these delicious baked goods in Austria. As we consistently try to find the top golf courses, we found ourselves over at Diamond Country Club, hungry and looking for a bite to eat. And just like any other delicious location, we decided to hit up the local bakery, and pretty much the only spot in the town here, to eat something for lunch. That's it for this video. Keep a look, but more importantly, take a look at some of the videos that have now popped up on the screen. They're better than this. And get out there and play some golf in the near future here with the Professor, an independent golf channel focused on fun, affordable golf in your area.